I'm a big fan of the Canary Islands. Most of tourists go there just to lay on the beach and drink drinks, and that's great. If you just rent a car or pick up a bicycle, after a few minutes you are in wonderful nature, and authentic small villages is a great place to travel around. So I've spent a lot of time on the Canary Islands. But there was one island a little further north, Madeira, which I have never been to, and the main city, Funchal. Eternal spring, they say about Madeira. So I got the chance to go to Madeira. I was so happy. But Madeira has a infamous, is that the word, airport. There's something with the wind and the mountains there. So there's some airports in the world which has some rocky, that is a little scary to land. So, and this is one of them. Not all the time, of course, but sometimes. And when we were getting closer, you can feel the plane switch like that. It goes down, right? And the captain comes on the speaker system and he says, there's some planes ahead of us. They have tried to land on Madeira Airport. They had to turn around to one of the Canary Islands or some other place. They couldn't, but we will try. Oh, I think, oh my God. When the captain says, we will try, that's not a good sign, is it? So this was in the beginning of my spiritual awakening. So I said, okay, guys, if you're there, please help to make this, make us survive, and please make a smooth landing. It would be great, because this is, you could feel the tension in the plane. Not good, right? People were scared. And we were going down and down, and I suddenly looked out the window and I saw something I have never seen ever before. Well, it is a thing. It's not like the first person ever saw this, but I've never seen it. I looked out in a cloud and I could see the shape of the airplane, the shadow of the plane in a cloud, and it was surrounded by a round rainbow. What? I'll add a picture of it, because it does exist in the real world. I don't know how it shows up, but it was, and I suddenly thought, okay, maybe that's a sign. And I didn't imagine it, because there was a woman ahead of me who said, look at that rainbow. It was a round rainbow covering the airplane, the shadow, or the shape of the airplane in a cloud. And we were going down and down and down and down, and we landed like nothing. No wind, no problem. It was this like a perfect, smooth landing with no issues at all. It's like no turbulence, no wind, nothing. It's like perfect landing. How about that? Thank you.